there's the other group right there. Come on, they're right there. Want to shoot them behind us? Kill them right there. Woo! Alright, let's shoot him. Oh, a quick little spawn flip never hurt anybody, huh?
Yeah.
So we were over here, but they were always landing pretty much where we're at now. So packed up everything, moved it over there. We're gonna try this, see how this works. Now we gotta grab all these decoys, move them over there, find our guns. We're having fun. Hey, get to the blind, get to the blind. They're cupped up.
All right, here they are. This is pretty right here, Garrett. Yeah. This is what you wanted. All right, you gonna get them? Can I get them?
Kill them right there. Kill them, kill them, kill them.
Oh, yeah!
Kill that last one! Kill that last one!
He's going down. Hey,
yes, sir!
He went down that time. Well, quick little hunt. We been sitting in the stand for a little bit. We've been waiting on more birds to fly in, and I guess they're kind of done. It's right at 10 o'clock. We got how many on the ground? 14? There's 14. Yeah, so we're gonna sit out here and take pictures with the guys and get all this stuff cleaned up and head out of here, and I'll catch y'all in just a second. Good morning. Oh man, it is early. It is a whopping 5:35 in the morning. We are sitting out here in the middle of this cornfield. We are going hunting this morning for my 29th birthday. That is correct. Today is October 25th, Saturday, the last day of goose season for this split, and it's my birthday. Gonna be an absolute fantastic day. Gonna do a goose hunting this morning, then I'm gonna go to the lake and hang out with all my friends for my birthday. Hope you guys enjoyed today's hunt. Hope you guys enjoyed last hunt. I'm probably just all gonna roll it into one video. So that hunt was, I think, on Wednesday or Thursday. I could be wrong, one of those days. I think it was on Wednesday because I went skydiving for my birthday on Thursday. We're gonna hop out of the truck, get everything ready and prepared for the hunt this morning, and we'll see y'all when the sun comes up. Peace. Well, good morning, world. We're out here again. We just shot two at damn, I don't even think it's shooting light yet. I'm just kidding. It's definitely shooting light. But yeah, we made it out here.
What?
Everybody's packed in. We got geese flying already, so enjoy the video.
Let them get over us and start getting back hard on the call, Austin. Y'all want to shoot them here?
Yeah.
Right there.
Right here.
Send it.
Hell yeah.
Yes, sir.
Hey, let's pick these up before the next one's getting.
They coming back around.
Damn, they are.
Here we go. Whew. Here we go, boys. That was a good pack.
Hey, geese.
That's another pack. Now.
I got winds going down. He went down hard.
Oh yeah. Ready?
Down there.
Whoa!
Holy God. Oh my God! Was that on film?
I don't know. The damn camera flew off the gun.
Fucking pile.
24. Well, after a quick rundown, we shot, what was the total score? 26? We got 26 of them on the ground. It just kept on coming in, but hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We're gonna clean all this stuff up and I'll pick you back up at the truck.
One is we shot. That son of a gun was almost white.
Three days later.
Oh my gosh, it is actually disgusting outside. It's like day 3 of it raining from this hurricane that's currently destroying Jamaica right now. Anyways, I'm gonna make this quick. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. The hunt was absolutely incredible. My birthday was awesome. Thank you to everybody that participated in my birthday. It was a great time. I had a blast with all of my friends. Thank you to the guys that invited me to go goose hunting. I hope you continue to invite me because, man, that was an absolute blast. That was the 3rd goose hunt that I've ever been on. Well, 2nd and 3rd goose hunt that I've ever been on. The first one was when I was in Illinois with all my other buddies. That is such a blast compared to deer hunting where you just gotta sit in a stand or a tree and just sit and wait. Goose hunting, duck hunting, completely different animal. If you've never done it before, I highly recommend doing it. But that's all I have to say for the day. I know this video was quite short, quite fast, quite rampant. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I will be making more goose hunt and deer hunting videos in the future because it's currently deer season now. I got a bow in the garage that I haven't shot in probably almost 2 years, so I got to go take that to the archery shop to get that restrung and get new arrows and stuff like that, get it dialed in for me, and I'm going to try and shoot a deer with it this year. Muzzleloader season is coming. Deer season is in right now. Goose hunting just went out, actually, so we got another goose hunt that's coming back out. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to leave it down in the comments. I got a lot of footage coming. I got a lot of hunts planned. We're going to make some cool stuff happen. I hope to see you there. Until then, hope you have a good weekend, and I will see y'all next Sunday. Peace.